So the Google Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL are almost here, but that doesn't mean we are done finding Pixel 3 leaks and teasers. The company just confirmed in a new video posted on YouTube that the Pixel 3 phones will come with active edge support just like their predecessors. You shouldn't be surprised as we saw a lot of leaks related to these flagship phones, but this new official one is definitely clever. The company's made by Google official Instagram account shared an image which portrays a mini pixel with a caption that reads, "We have heard rumors of a mini pixel," which begs the question, how mini is too mini? The image shows off a few phone mockups of various sizes while also including a sketch of a mini pixel that's small enough to be attached to your keychain. Now you must be thinking, what is that teaser all about? Well, the theory goes something like this. All the Pixel 3 XL leaks that we have seen are pretty much red herrings planted by Google to hide the existence of the Google Pixel 3 Ultra, a notchless OLED variant of its Pixel smartphone. That means a notchless Pixel variant do exist and it would be unveiled during the October 9th press conference. Interestingly, if we zoom in this mini pixel teaser, we can see a dual camera setup and a fingerprint scanner in the middle of the phone. Now I don't know why nobody's talking about this. Maybe it's just a design, but if it's real, then we could see a real camera flagship of this year. Also, I've got one more reason to be excited about Google's October 9 event. In a promotional email, Google is letting potential Pixel buyers know that they can pre-order both phones after the October 9 event has finished. However, there's no word on when the actual shipments will start. My best guess is that it will take at least a week. The email also contains a .gif with the number 3 transitioning from black to white to mint. So this is probably enough to confirm the rumors of a white Pixel phone and the mint colored power button is here to stay. That said, tell me if you believe in the Pixel 3 Ultra rumors and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.